Alright guys, how you doing today? My name is Mike with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this wonderful video we're going to show you how to install and take off the lumbar on a Leap V1 and V2. We have a V2 here for you, and we'll get right to it. Alright, to remove the lumbar, we're going to grab it between the back pad and the back frame. You're going to stick your hand in there and try and get the lumbar above the plastic stop. Just a little upward pressure, and it should snap right out like so. Go ahead and do the other side. Reach your hand in there, get it above that plastic stop, and it should come right out. Alright guys, here we're going to install the lumbar. We're going to put the lumbar in between the back pad and the back frame. Slide it in there. What you want to do is line up the tab between the frame. Give it a little tap, a little pressure. Other side as well. A little pressure. And you have a fully operational lumbar. Hey guys, here we have a close-up of the V2 lumbar with the back off. I don't recommend taking the back off because you can break these plastic tabs here. So in order to take the lumbar off, we just want to get it above this plastic guard here. And just a little pressure, you can pop it right over top. Slide it up and off the frame. Similar on the other side. And that's it, folks. And to put it back on with the back off, I like to start above the guard and slide it down, lining it up in the plastic grooves. Same thing on the other side. And you're all set. Happy sitting.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.